You are going to love the 2018 Sprinter. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power brakes, running boards, interval wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, passenger airbag, power driver's seat. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.